Hi, it's Elaina. On this channel, you'll find makeup tutorials, reviews, fabulous drag looks on Fridays, celebrity impersonations, face paint, creative makeup, you name it. In today's video, we're actually doing a review of Wetnwild PR box that they sent me. This is a collab of Wetnwild and Sesame Street. So we're going to be doing a review of the contents of this box, item by item, so you'll see how it performs, how it wears. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. Subscribe, ring notification bell, like this video, and leave me a comment. So let's get right into it. So this is the open box, as you already saw it. It looks cute. So we're gonna go through all the items. So first of all, the PR box is $74.99. I just went to their website and I saw all the rates for every single item that they have in this collection. So first of all, thank you Wetnwild for sending me PR box. Apparently Wetnwild put me on their PR list and they keep sending me stuff. So I'm very grateful because this is one of my favorite drugstore brands, extremely affordable, and they got so much great stuff, including their foundation and concealer and the highlighters. I mean, there are a lot of things that I really enjoy. Now we're gonna talk about this collection and what is good, what is not. And I'm gonna give you an honest review regardless of whether it's free or not. We're gonna discuss everything. So I'm gonna run this video probably either split screen or something, so you'll see probably split screen. So you'll see what it looks like out of the box. So opening the box, you'll see all that stuff. So it looks very cute. Everything had very appropriate packaging. So I would say immediately this is for collectors, for somebody who is a fan of Sesame Street. It's kind of a nostalgic feel for people who grew up on Sesame Street cartoons. I can't relate because of course I grew up in another country, so for me it's like I know what it is, but I have no feelings about it. So I, for one, wouldn't buy it just for that reason. But if you're really a fan and a collector, you'd probably want this box. 75 bucks is very pricey, but you also get a lot. So this is from the brushes. It looks real cute. So also I got this mirror. Probably didn't see it open. Very cute mirror. I like that it's very soft, you know. It looks like cookie. Makes me hungry for some reason. Although I don't like cookies. Anyway, regardless. So let's go item by item. So the palette itself is $16.99. So $74.99. Obviously, it's the whole thing. $16.99 the palette. Looks like this. A very bright, very colorful. You know, I kind of have mixed feelings about this. It kind of looks a little bit like too childish, you know, the whole collection, because it's, I mean, it's cartoon, but yet it's targeted towards adults. So I guess it's either targeted towards older adults that grew up on it, or younger adults that still into this kind of thing, like teenagers. I don't know. Don't quote me for this because I'm not expert on this, the cartoons, but it is pretty. Of course, this blue immediately attracted me, and you know I went for that. Some of the colors, yellow, still pretty pigmented, not the best, but wish it was black, of course, but you know, you can wish for a lot of things. I'm not going to swatch it because it just, you know, it's not that kind of video. But this is the shimmer, the pink, and this is the green. And shimmers, I'm gonna tell you, shimmers perform real well. Very creamy. Metallic shimmers. Glitters are real nice too, and they stick. See that? Glitter swatches and performs real well, and it sticks, and it's not a Vaseline based, if you're wondering, because I had previous experiences with Wetnwild. But yeah, the palette is pretty good, and you'll see the video running of me applying eyeshadow. It's not a tutorial, so you'll just see how this works. The brushes are $16.99 as well. You'll see the brushes, but they're very jacked up already because I used it. They're very pretty. They're synthetic, of course. They're vegan. And of course, every brush has something on it. You know, something to do with the character. The powder brush is real nice. I applied my powder with this. And I guess that's a yellow bird or big bird. What is it called? Whatever. That thing. The bird. I'm so ignorant. And of course I have this one. I like this type of brushes, like a narrow but blendy as well. And we got a bigger brush here. It's a nice blending brush. They're not like outstanding, you know, they're just good because they're collector items, but I wouldn't say like, oh, they're like the best brushes ever. I mean, they're synthetic brushes. They work, so I'm just being honest. And the mirror is $9.99, so which is something like, if you're a collector, I guess some people like to get a mirror. It's a small mirror though, but there you go. They have a lot of other things that like headbands and things that was not included in the box I got. And I have lip glosses for $5.99. I got 2 of them. Lip gloss is really pretty, wears well. I'm wearing the pink one. This is called Fairy Tales, and I got another one kind of more beigey. This one is called Fun Sized, and this at $5.99 each. And the gloss, Tickle Me Lip Tingling Gloss, is $6.99, so it's $7. I did not try that one, so I can't tell you if I like it or not. I'm just not into a lip gloss. Like, I'm not a lip gloss person in the first place. So it smells nice. It smells kind of candy-like. And I don't know if it tickles, probably does. I have a similar from another collection, Wetnwild, and actually like the tickle effect, you know, it was pleasant. It wasn't like overwhelming. So $6.99. If you like this kind of thing, I mean, go ahead. The lipsticks I would not recommend. Just go immediately. Tell you how it is. $5.99. And I tried the pink one and there's barely any color. This is the red one. You see that? It's like see-through. It's almost like a lip gloss in the form of lipstick. I don't know what the heck that is. It has a little glitter on it. This is definitely like a teenage. This is very, very juvenile. Oh, we got 3 multi-stick kit. It's $12.99, and these are the 3. I already used the blue one, of course. The brown ones. These are not bad, actually. They blend really nicely. I use blue as a base to create a little more pigmentation for the blue eyeshadow because the color is identical, and I have brown ones as well. They feel creamy, but not overly creamy. It says it dries into matte or something, like a cream to matte or something like that. So that's yet to be determined because I haven't used them, but it's a kind of a pretty color. I could see somebody blending this on the whole eyelid and putting mascara on for like an easy everyday look. And the blue one, yeah, the blue one is the tits. Amazing. It does not work on the waterline. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat. It was like it disappeared immediately. I had to put eyeshadow over it to set it. Just, you know, heads up, if you want to use it in the waterline, won't work. And I would say $12.99 for 3 is not bad if you like this kind of thing. And also have the lash curler, which I did not use today because I use fake eyelashes, of course. But this is very similar to what I received from the other collection. I think it was the Christmas collection. So this is, yeah. So that's Snoopy, see? And this is Cookie. So this kind of like collector item. They're cute. Almost like makes me want to kind of put them on display, you know? Because they're cute. I don't know. I'm not into it, but it's cute. So that's $6.99. And what else? Oh yeah, we got glitter gel. So this is it. This one I use on my cheeks a little bit. It's very subtle. It's not like, you know, like kimchi glitter, glitter shards. If you put it on, I mean, you'll see like a chunk of glitter. It really, like a lot of glitter in one spot, you know what I mean? And some of the glitter gels, like ColourPop, there's a lot of glitter particles per you know, little drop, you know what I mean? This one is very see-through. So I'm gonna give you a little swatcheroo here. Oh, there are a lot of hearts there, which I didn't see before. It kind of looks cute. So I see it like going out, put it in the body. It smells like nothing. I'm not sure if it's scented, but it's cute. It's not the most pigmented, like not a lot of glitter per amount you apply, but you know, it's alright. So these are all the items pretty much. I think I reviewed them all. Yeah, that was a quick review. You know, I was writing the video here. Hopefully you saw the whole thing, the whole video. So let's see if I missed anything. Yeah, I think that's it. So this is a quick review because it's clearly not a tutorial. So would I buy the whole box? If, like, again, if you're a collector, you probably would want to buy something like that. If you have nostalgic feelings for, you know, Elmo and whatever that Sesame Street is, Cookie Monster. I'm very ignorant when it comes to that. But anyway, you know what I mean. You probably want to buy it or get a palette if you like something like that. It's not a bad palette, actually, not bad at all. It's very pigmented. Like I always say, when they're collabs, usually brands with collabs, the quality is a little better, like a lot better. Or although Wetnwild, I like the eyeshadows, like without even collabs, but with collabs, like the standard is even higher. And I like the sticks. So these are probably like my favorite things: the palette and the sticks, and the lip gloss is alright. So this is my honest opinion. So. Let me know what you guys think. Have you picked it up? If you're a real fan, maybe somebody paid $75 for the whole thing. Well, who knows? But you know, people do whole kind of things for collections. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. How you think it performs. Do you like it? Will you buy something out of it? So like this video if you enjoyed it, and do subscribe to my channel. I upload a couple of times a week whenever I have a chance. Lately my schedule kind of been chaotic, but you know, I try to do at least twice a week. So ring notification bell so you get notified of every new video I upload. So thank you all for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!